Magbantay kayo sa labas, pero huwag kayong magpahalata. Hindi pwedeng may makaalam na may nangyayari dito.
Sir.
Dean, please, huwag mo sasaktan si Venus. Wala siyang kasalanan.
Ang sa akin meron. Pinahirapan ako ng bruhang aray.
Maraming atraso itong babae ito sa amin. Kumampi siya kay Pepe. Isa yun. Alam mo kung hindi dahil sa kanya, di sana patay na si Pepe ngayon, di ba? You know what I don't understand is why would this girl, ba't na tinutulungan si Pepe? It doesn't make You, Sari, you're supposed to be smart. You're a doctor, pero yung pinili mo, mali. Si Pepe. Why?
Ay, mabuti siyang tao. And that's something you'll never understand. Tama nga ako ng pinili because Pepe is several times the man that you will ever be.
I don't know. But hindi pinapansin talaga. Sari, look, I have the gun. You're tied there. Watch. Kasalanan mo yun. Okay? Listen to me. You wanna pledge your love to Pepe? This undying love of yours? I'll give you a chance. All you have to do, sabihin mo sa akin kung saan mo sila tinago.
You're crazy if you think makikipag-cooperate ako sa'yo. Hindi mo sila mahahanap.
Really? Really?
No, stop.
Are you sure?
Stop.
Just have to find the right spot.
Ilang beses ko na siya tinatawagan pero hindi talaga sumasagot eh. Mukhang tama hinala ni Frida.
Parang imposible yata yun. Meron siyang police escort, saka nagre-report sila sa akin. Nahatid siya sa ospital. Baka mali lang si Frida. Saan park ba daw yan?
Sa may bagong bayan park daw. Papunta na kami ngayon doon.
O sige, tawagan mo rin si Sari. Mga 4 sa lang lang doon.
Sige.
Dean, please stop it. Tigilan mo na to. Tigilan mo na si Pepe.
Akala ko ba break na kayo? I thought it was over. Ba't concerned ka pa rin?
Hindi ko alam kung paano mo nasabi na mahal mo. Because clearly, you don't know how love works.
Doesn't matter, ha? Speaking of the devil. I'm just kidding, it's Daniel. Nakala mo si Pepe, no? Ready?
Kuya! Kuya, tulungan mo ako!
Sari! Sari, ano nangyari sa'yo?
I'm sorry, the person you're trying to reach is out of coverage area.
Din! Din! Huwag mo sasaktan ako! Dito hayop ka! Din! Din!
Sir, wala pa rin lead yung sa building na nasabugin eh. Okay lang po ba kayo?
Kailangan natin hanapin ang kapatid mo.
Tinan mo, Liaman, na wala yung tapang.
Ay, sample lang pala ang kailangan, boss. Ay, kanina, niyo pa dapat pinatikim.
What? It's funny! I mean, you know your brother, right? He's so serious, sobrang angas niya, tapos ngayon biglang tataranta. I can just imagine how he looks like. In fact, I can almost imagine what the first thing he's gonna do is, he's gonna call your mom. And then your mom will be like heartbroken at first, will be crying maybe 10 minutes, and then magagalit
Shut
yun
up,
bigla. But you know the most
Shut
important
up!
thing, which is really making me really excited, is the fact that everyone's going to realize na kasalanan to lahat ni Pepe. Nandito tayo lahat dahil sa Pepe na yun. Sari, just, come on, skip na natin to. Just, sabihin mo sa akin, saan mo tinatago yung pamilya ni Pepe?
Lina, I'm sorry sa mga nasabi ko sa'yo noon. Kaya ka lang naman nagkakaganyan dahil sa akin. Kasi paulit-ulit kitang sinaktan. Dean, if you want me, I'm here.
Sasama ka sa akin? Willingly?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's too late. Ma, Dadaan lang ako sa healing house, kakausapin ko lang si Pepe.